Hello everybody, just want to give an update on, well for today, the bar-to-bar attachment. So this assembly you see here in this funny S-shaped piece is actually two separate bars, and it works rather well actually. I went through several different prototypes. This funny S-shape is actually the one that works the best, the least amount of buckling and the most rigidity. So it works quite simple. It uses the exact same clutch plate and springs as all the other modules right here, so they're fully interchangeable. In this case, it requires two in this funny S shape. And well, you just kind of put it inside the assembly, let it click into place, and with that you can turn what I have here is two 2-foot clamps into a very large 4-footer, and it's pretty wide looking from the top of the clamp, but if you were to put a workpiece, and I have here just a piece of scrap 2x4 in here, sits rather well. So just gonna put this together. So it kind of looks like this, you know, it's nice low profile, lifts it off a little bit from the bar, but it works. So I want to show here that this bar-to-bar attachment is actually really rigid in this plane right here. A little bit more wobble on this plane right here, but it doesn't really matter because the way the clamp works, when you're clamping down on a workpiece, the workpiece is in compression, and the bar as well as this coupler piece would all be in tension and a little bit of bending, but that's never had much of a problem with it. It's very rigid. Like, I have full confidence that if I were to take this clamp and bring it from one side to another, it's not gonna come apart on me unless I want it to. And I really like how it clicks into place. So one downside with this coupler right now is that this funny S shape, as of right now, it's only available for a 3D printing. The reason behind that is because for wood construction, there's grains, right? For plywood, even though it's 90 degrees offset in the grains, it's still really hard to get a strong assembly in this shape, especially when you're essentially pulling on the entire part. So right now this will be 3D printing only. Hopefully I can think of a better way for the wood construction. Another upside I found out or discovered about working on this S-shape coupler is that the plate stays in place even when I let go. Like, it can still come out, but I don't have to hold on to it, and it pops in really nice. Whereas for this traditional Wingman module, for example, if I need to take it off, I need to keep my finger on there. If I don't keep my finger on there, this piece would eventually come apart. So I changed the design a little bit. I'm still keeping the old design. This is still available, and I made something like this. I didn't put the lead screw on, but it looks almost the same as the coupler. It has this little piece in front there, so the plate stays in place. For me, I consider this an upgrade. I don't mind that I only have a little tab to pull on the clutch plate, whereas the old design, I got a nice big surface right here, but that doesn't really bother me, and it just works so well where I don't have to hold on to the plate and still be able to get the module to engage onto the bar. So I've also done that to the sliding bar piece, which this will actually be really great for glue ups, because in this particular configuration, I have a fully flat front, so the jaws of the clamp is actually flush with the bar, which makes it great when you want to lay out multiple pieces and do a glue up. I'm still working on a parallel attachment for this piece right here. Again, the goal is to have the jaw flush with the bar. So all these modules right here, all these upgrades I have, they're all updated on my website. And if you don't have the most updated plan package, just send me a direct message or an email and I'll fire them off to you. So yes, all proceeds goes towards Project Maverick. I don't make much off of the hardware or the plans. I try to keep the prices reasonable with good value to you guys. And yeah, everybody who backs the Wingman clamp also gets a exclusive discount when Project Maverick hits production, up to 50% off. At least that's what I hope. Thanks for watching. My name is Kay, and have a wonderful day.